So today we're working on page 111 of our Mathemagic book. Now I would like for you to do questions 1, 2, 3, skip 4, do 5 and 6. A lot of these involve division and multiplication. So remember, as always, your rucksack. Read the question, understand it, choose what you're going to do, then solve it, then answer it, and then check your answer, especially your calculations. The first one says Tracy earns €133 per day working from 9 till 4 p.m. How much per hour is she paid? Well, first of all, figure out how many hours that she's working from 9 to 4 and then divide. That'll calculate how much per hour. How much would she earn for working a 5-day week? So we know what she's working for 1 day, and then find out what she would get for 5 days. Question 2 says a hotel charges €79.50 per person for each night. What is the cost for 2 adults spending 4 nights each at the hotel? So first calculate how much it is for 2 adults to spend the night, and you multiply to do that. So now you know the cost for 2 adults per night, and it's 4 nights, so you'll have to multiply again. And you'll be multiplying by 4 for 4 nights. Number 3, bed and breakfast costs €76.50 per person per night. An evening dinner costs €22.50 per person. How much is the total bill for a couple who spend 3 nights at the hotel and have 2 dinners each? So you can choose what you want to calculate there first. So calculate a couple per night. That will be multiplied by 2 because this is per person. A couple has 2 people in it. So now we know what it costs 2 people. And you need to for every night. And they spend 3 nights there. So you have to calculate, you've got the 2 people per night. They've got 3 nights there. So you need to calculate what to do. Now in a totally separate sum, you need to figure out how much 2 dinners each costs. So each of them are having 2 dinners, not just one of them. Each of them are having 2 dinners, so that's 4 dinners. Find out how much 4 dinners is, and then add the 4 dinners to the 3 nights per couple that you've already calculated. That'll give you your answer. You can skip number 4 for the moment. Number 5 says, a bus charges €230 to bring a group of 25 children on a school tour. It costs €3.57 per child to visit a farm and €4.65 per child for lunch. What is the total cost of the tour for the children? So we know how much the bus is. That's €230. You can set that aside for a moment. €3.57 per child. There's 25 children. So to find out the cost to the farm for the 25, what do you need to do? Then in a separate sum, it's €4.65 per child for lunch. So to calculate, that's 1 child, 25 children. So then you should have the bus charge, the 25 children to the farm, and then the 25 children for lunch. And you have to get the total. So you've done that before. Now last for today's is 6. A machine uses 6 litres of petrol, that's fuel, each hour. What is the cost of the petrol during 1 day when the machine is working from 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. if petrol costs 97 cents per litre? So there's a lot of words there. So let's calculate how much it uses per day first of all. So 6 litres of petrol each hour. Find out how many hours it works and multiply by the 6 litres. That gives you the litres per day then. So once you have the litres per day that it's using, you need to multiply it by the amount of money it costs. So you have the litres that it's using per day. That would be 6 litres multiplied by the hours it's working. That's what you've calculated. You've got that. So whatever that answer is, you're going to have to multiply it by 97 cents. The key to multiplying by 97 cents is you've figured out the litres it's using per day, multiply it by 0.97 of a euro. because when you get your answer, you have 2 numbers behind the decimal, and you must put 2 numbers behind the decimal at the end as well. Otherwise, you're multiplying it by €97 and the answer won't be right. What would the petrol cost for a week consisting of 5 similar days? So you've got the cost for one day. To get it for a week, it's a working week, so it's just 5 days. You're going to have to multiply the answer by 5. Okay, best of luck with doing those, guys. Slán.